Second weekend of Little Shop of Horrors. Come on, if you haven't seen the show yet, we're running this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and next weekend as well. Halika kayo, I'll take you backstage. Ito yung corridor where all the dressing rooms are. That's the makeup bay. Ito mga costumes. Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon. And this is our dressing room, and this is the wife of the wife of the star of the show. This is my lungga. And then this is backstage. Are you ready? Are you ready? Saan bang entrance nito? Okay, ito siya, and we're ready. So this is Maybank, and they're practicing lifts. This is our set.
Someone!
They're reviewing their lines, the stars of the show. Si Reba Tidero at Sue Ramirez, who's doing her stage debut.
Huh?
And here's the director and the choreographer. Behind the scene lang. Second weekend. Are we ready?
Yeah. Ready. Come watch.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
I'm not.
Okay, so the difference from last weekend to this weekend is you're now an award-winning
Yes,
actor.
congratulations.
Stop it!
Eto, nagsa-soundcheck kami gamit ang microphones na nakadikit sa aming mga pisngi. Simon!
Alright,
Natin yan. Ay, na-record ko ngayon. Pwede natin gamitin yan.
Live ang band namin, and usually nasa likod yun ng entablado o nasa harap. Pero this time around, there are 3 floors up. So umakyat muna ako. Maya-maya ay sumabay na ang banda sa aming sound check. Hindi nila kami nakikita at naririnig lamang sa kanilang mga monitor. Siyempre, kailangan na nakatutok sila sa kanilang music sheets at sumusunod sa kompas ng aming musical director si EJ Yapko, na pinapanood kami mula sa isang maliit na bintana. Balik sa stage, andun si Reb at si OJ Mariano. Ang ganda talaga ng music ng Little Shop of Horrors. After sound check, kinailangan na magsuot ng aming mga costumes and makeup. Makeup na tayo. And we're ready to go.
Let's go, Daddy!
Come on.
Let's go, Daddy!
Here we go. Prayers now. We pray before every show. In between Act 1 and Act 2. How do you feel about your performance so far?
Good. It's fine. It's fine. We're settled at this point, so we're just having a lot of fun on stage, you know.
Yeah,
and at last, I see the light.
Hello.
Ay, hindi ka pwede! Hindi ka pwede! Yan ang aming man-eating plant at hindi namin pwedeng ipakita because kailangan surprise. You have to watch the show to see how fantastic the costume is. Aming plant. Look! It's Mushnick's Flower Shop. I put a sign up right in the front window, an advertisement right in the front window. Stop in and see the amazing new Plant Audrey 2. And the really remarkable thing is that people, they do. Talagang napaka-remarkable ng Little Shop of Horrors at enjoy ang mga audiences. So, what are you waiting for? Nood na!